Alright guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. So today we're going to continue the build on the 2015 Vegas Ecoline Ford Motorhome RV, I mean whatever you want to call it. But let's today just tear down into it, take all this trash out, all the burnt stuff, all the carnage, just see what's going on, start digging into it and see how bad the damage is. Wow.
Well, we know that it runs and drives,
yeah,
but we don't know if the interior stuff works. So maybe we'll get the generator started.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Get some electronics work and the slide to work, but we gotta take all that stuff out of there.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a mess, but I'm kind of excited to see what we're gonna find and see how bad the damage is and see if everything works. So let's just go right at it. All right guys, so before I get into this mess, before I go dumpster diving, I'm gonna go ahead and get some protective stuff on, safety glasses, gloves. I'm gonna put a suit on. I mean, I don't know, it's probably pretty bad in there. You don't want to breathe all that sludge, sludge, whatever, burnt stuff. I'm sure it's not healthy, so let's go ahead and suit up and get to work. And just like that, ready to go. Honestly, I think it's a little more dangerous than dumpster diving because all that burnt stuff gets inside of you. Yeah, I don't want any of that, so let's go ahead and start clearing out and see what we find. Alright guys, so I'm definitely getting progress in there. The front's looking a lot better. The kitchen area where you can sit down and actually recognize the table. That's pretty awesome. But before we keep going, let's see what we found. So there's a little heater which we first thought caused the fire. But comment below what you think's going on. We either have A, the heater buddy, B, whatever this is, looks like it got hot, or C, the handcuffs, things got heated. and just couldn't put it out in time. And before you start jumping to conclusions that our buddy did it, I actually found the box that our heater was in. Look at this thing. I don't know if you could read that or not. It says indoor safe. Wow. Okay, propane, use it inside. Mr. Heater Buddy. Was it safe though? Was it? That's crazy. They got the box, they got the heater, and they got a fire. But you can't put one and one together like that. Who knows what happened? Like I said, it could have been either things, but we'll keep digging and see what we find. Also, I got a bunch of movies. I guess that's what you do when you go camping. You just watch the movies. Some Uno cards. But not bad so far. Let's keep going and let's keep digging. All right, so I got the main garbage out, so it looks a lot cleaner. I can even see the carpet on that side. Look at that, that's awesome. That tells me it didn't get that hot at least, so that's nice. But what I want to do next is actually get rid of some of these blinds. They're trash anyway, but I need more light in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt all these things and get rid of them so I can see what's going on back here. That'd be nice. They're surged anyway. It'd be nice to get rid of them. And then it'd be nice to get this slide out to go. So I'm gonna take this panel apart and see what's going on behind there. And maybe I could jump the switch and extend this slide out. Let's go. All right, so for me to get that slide out going, I basically got to hook up my batteries, and there's some right there underneath that step. I think we're safe enough to put power to it. Yeah, just edit that out, Ruben. Woo. So I think it's safe enough to put power to it right now, so let's see what's going on. We'll get that hooked up, keep going. There they are. Let's hook it up. All right, so I got my batteries all hooked up. Let's go ahead and turn them on. There's a little switch right here saying store or connect. All right, I heard something clicking. Something's going on here. It's turning on. That's cool. That sounds good. It's always nice to hear clicking. Need to turn thing up. Oh man. Uh-oh. Yeah, I got a water leak. Let's see where that's coming from. That's never good. You don't want water coming out. You could hear it pouring. There's like a bridge. Man, that's not good. Okay, I definitely got a leak somewhere. Water's coming out like crazy. Oh boy. I gotta see where that's coming from. Something's cracked, something's broken, or something going on. Ah! I don't want to flood damage and water damage. Let's go and turn that off. Woo! Okay, so good news, it's working. Bad news, there's definitely a problem somewhere. Woo! Let's go ahead and figure that out and see what's going on. Okay, so after some further digging, I was able to find my problem. I can't really solve it right now, but I found it. Let me go ahead and show you. If you can see it or not, but there it is. The Titanic. It's cracked. I think that's my heater tank is cracked. Don't know how that happened or why that happened, but let's go ahead and turn the water off for now and get that replaced. All right, so we're gonna turn the valves off, turn the water on, and see what happens. Let me know, Evan. No major leaking? Turn the valves off?
Yeah.
I see a little bit of dripping, but...
Well, the pump used to be turned off. There's a water pump.
Our water pump was running. Dang.
There you go.
Yep. All right.
We're good.
Water pump is turned off. So you're thinking it froze over?
Most likely, yeah. That's probably what happened. They didn't winterize it. They got in an accident. They probably didn't care. I don't blame them, but...
Dang. Sucks for us, but...
we can get that fixed.
Yeah. Swap that out. Put a new tank in.
Hey, as long as we have power.
Yeah. Hey, you know,
it's a better sign. So.
It's going.
Look, even this is on.
Did it turn on? No way.
It's flashing.
Wow.
Well, let's turn it off.
Yeah, let's turn that off.
Let's see.
Lights. Oh, look at that. Fridge is on. Let's check out our awning then. Let's see if we could... What? Lights are on. That's working.
That means those batteries are probably charged. They're probably really good. Let's see if the awning works and get this slide out.
Yes, sir. Woo, fridge stink. Woo. The lights are on. That's crazy.
That's probably why the water heater's on.
I heard something. I heard something. Oh, that's probably something else. All right, let's see if this awning. Yeah, look at that. Oh.
It's been sticking. You gotta help it.
Oh man. Well, small issues, but it's working. At least we have power, and the switches are kind of doing what the switches are doing. Okay.
Cool. There we go. Die.
There it is. Give me some shade. Nice. Whatever. See how far this thing goes. Oh yeah.
It's got an LED light in it.
Oh yeah, it does. Fancy, fancy. Lights turned on. Look at that. Oh yeah, I mean, you can see that on the camera now, but LED lights turned on. I've seen LED lights everywhere though. Do it again, Ivan. There's lights right here too, on the side.
They were on there.
No, I didn't flip it. Oh, I guess it should be on right now then. It's fine.
Alright guys, so let's take that panel off, the one on top, and see if we get the slide to go out. The button's melted, but we can still kind of jump in the back and see if it works. Alright guys, unfortunately we keep trying to push this slide out and we're having a difficult time. We're going to have to do some research on it. We did a lot of work on this thing, we got a lot of progress done on it, but still a lot more of a cleanup to do. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have today, so we'll catch you guys next time.